If I don't step back while playing, it will affect your stroke structure. Your body should lean forward in this position. Standing here with my brushing action like this, you may feel the ball is short and you are positioned behind. Therefore, I need to lean forward to meet the ball and generate combined force friction. This is a key point. This is the primary cause of the absence of combined force. Precision is crucial in our brushing technique. Lowering the center of gravity is essential. That's the first key point. When looping the ball with the forehand and brushing, the key difference lies in the starting point of the stroke, all above the table. Stay above the table, don't go underneath. Many players tend to do this at this stage. After a half swing on the approach shot, the forehand topspin stroke initiates above the table. When looping the ball, pay attention to your stroke as you move back. Observe the adjustment. Observe the notable change that has taken place. The forehand topspin stroke begins above the table. In forehand loops, the stroke initiates from the back of the body's thigh. Therefore, when executing the stroke, pay close attention. Is it below the table? Young player, the forehand topspin is different. For instance, the forehand loop is as follows. Avoid swinging backward. A broad stroke framework is essential for generating spin in the forehand loop. What is topspin? It involves forward motion and a compact stroke. Our goal is to ensure the quality, spin, speed, and power of our shots. As you step back, open up your body structure and keep the racket above the table. Pay close attention. Racket above the table. Loop, loop. Focus on stopping the racket at the side of the body for forehand shots. For backhand shots, highlight that the racket should move behind the body, not in front. For instance, we must completely open up the racket. See? Have there been significant changes to the racket position from the stance angle? The transition movement for forehand shots is a flat loop. When you're attacking with a forehand, you don't have to hit too hard. A slight shift in shoulder weight is sufficient. Backhand loops are different. Many ask, I'm standing here, especially for deep shots, my stance is high. How can I drop my racket? Balance yourself and drop your shoulder. Balance yourself and drop your shoulder. This is the standard loop action. Some may ask why I'm doing it differently. The reason is, without bending the knees, in what? When your shoulders are not relaxed and your hips are not pressed? Only then can I hit the ball with the bottom of the racket under the table. When breaking this racket, especially with a backspin ball, you need to fully drop it down below the table. If you don't bend your knees and relax your shoulders, if you don't press your hips, you cannot perform a very standard, very correct loop action. 3 key points. Bend the knees, relax the shoulders, press the hips. What does pressing the hips mean? My center of gravity must be on my right side. My hips cannot be raised. They must be pressed down. So your shoulders down, knees down, and elbows down. This is pulling the ball. This is a loop. This is pulling the ball. This is a loop. This is a loop drive. Drop the shoulder. Press the hip and knee to feel the hands bending process. Otherwise, it will remain straight. This is the second key point in looping and loop driving. What common mistake do many players make at this stage? Keep the body low and the hand high. Remember, body low, hand high. Observe my body movement during the loop. Loop drive. In looping, rotation range 1 to 8. In loop driving, 1 to 8. So where is the difference? The distinction between looping and loop driving. In looping, the knee and leg rotation range is small. When loop driving, rotate your body while bowing, keeping your feet stable, and also when pulling the ball. Step across. Step across while bowing. Open up and release the ball with a slight rotation. Then pull the ball. Allow for the step. Emphasize it. Rotate with emphasis, emphasizing rotation. The body's rotation range is substantial. Focus on the shoulders as this is crucial for bowing. Everyone, pay attention to the shoulders. Progress from feet to legs, hips, waist, and shoulders. Remember to bow, bow, pull, and observe. Before pulling, observe the shoulders, hips, legs, and feet. So what's the main focus of the pulling hitting part? Primarily body movements, especially in bowing. It's good, but strive for improvement. Concentrate on pulling the ball. There is a lack of body movements in this action. Feet lack rotation, legs lack turning, hips need more emphasis on movement. Shoulders should be lowered. Ensure forward force is exerted. Powerful move, players. Keep your shoulders steady and execute the pull like this. This pull lacks full effort. Some players struggle to find the power point when their shoulders rotate due to the lack of syncing. What could be the reason? The movement is upwards. The power focus of the shoulder is directed upwards. No, the backhand here is too aggressive. What about the shoulder? Sink the shoulder. Push forward for power generation. We don't sink the shoulder. We push upwards to generate power. For instance, when he uses his hand, he understands how to pull like this. He is compact, but lacks power. At least I can generate some power. Because the body fails to coordinate the force. All the power comes from the hand. You can observe the fingers, wrist, forearm, upper arm, and shoulder on the hand. What does this represent? If our body movements are not coordinated, how can small and compact movements generate force? It's due to body strength. These movements involve the hand and legs generating explosive force. When we don't utilize our legs or body strength, all the power is focused on the hand. If you avoid large movements, how can you generate power? Let's examine the role of the shoulder.